Hello everybody, welcome yet again to IELTS with Teacher Jack. Today we will be learning very crucial synonyms for the word important. I know we use it a lot and it can be redundant. So let's look at the 7 synonyms for the word important. Number 1, crucial. Healthcare is crucial for any working society. Number 2, critical. You can say for any countries or for any country, it is very critical to have a working transportation system. Number 3, essential. Oxygen is essential for any living creature. Number 4, consequential. A little bit of rain is not horrible, but a thunderstorm can be very consequential. Number 5, a very, very interesting one, which is significant. It is significant for children to have the guidance of their parents. Number 6, major. In university, we have a major subject as well as some minor subjects. Number 7, fundamental. It's fundamental for humanity to grow and prosper together. And that's all for today. These were the most significant synonyms of the word important. I hope this video helps you. If you're practicing for the IELTS exam, leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Do like this video, do subscribe and share the channel with anyone who is practicing for the IELTS exam or in general if you're learning or practicing your English. Thank you very much.